Some essential tips before visiting London. Must-knows for travelers. Do not stand on the left side from Sclater. This likely refers to escalators, where in London it's customary to stand on the right side to allow people in a hurry to walk up or down on the left. This is a common etiquette in many places with escalators, including the London Underground. Do not take out your phone everywhere. This is a general safety tip applicable in many crowded urban areas. Being aware of your surroundings and keeping your belongings secure can help prevent theft or pickpocketing. Do not wear expensive accessories and watches. While London is generally a safe city, it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid drawing unnecessary attention to valuable items, as this could potentially make you a target for theft. Wearing modest accessories can help you blend in and reduce the risk of being targeted by thieves. London. Weather can be unpredictable, so it's wise to be prepared for rain at any time of year. It's a good idea to bring layers and waterproof clothing, especially if you plan to explore outdoor attractions or walk around the city. In London, it's uncommon to use US dollars or euros for transactions. It's advisable to use British pounds, GBP, instead. While some businesses may accept foreign currency, exchange rates may be unfavorable. Public transport. Indeed, occasional disruptions to public transportation due to strikes, delays, or suspensions are a part of life in London. Visitors should be prepared for the possibility of disruptions and plan accordingly by allowing extra time for travel or seeking alternative routes if necessary. Visiting an emergency hospital in London can sometimes result in long wait times, especially during peak periods or when there's a high volume of patients. While the healthcare system aims to prioritize urgent cases, it's important to be prepared for potential delays. If possible, consider alternative options for non-urgent medical needs, such as visiting a walk-in clinic or scheduling an appointment with a general practitioner for minor ailments.